Okay, awesome. Okay, Sannidhya. So my question is actually related to company brands and all.
Mm,
So right now I'm operating like a semi brand, like a freelancer to any coach or anybody, any of my clients. Okay,
mm,
I don't have any brand name, company name, anything. I would take directly to my bank account. So that's what the process is all about. So since last 1.5 year, I've been maybe I think I was neglecting this fact of not setting up an agency or hiring people.
mm.
So I want you to give me a framework or any steps for next 3 to 6 months how I can plan things so that it becomes like a brand like Baweja Media. Not to that level, at least how you are started over here.
So tell me one thing over here. Do you have any long-term, vision over here? Do you have any vision map or anything? Like, how do you want to
So
see yourself? Obviously, you don't want to see yourself as Bhavija Media because we are
I
like,
want to see
like
my
yeah, yeah. How do you
see myself like a Sabri Subis King Kong.
say? Okay, go ahead. I would suggest to okay. So
Okay.
there's an exercise which is a vision map for entrepreneurs. Okay, just
Okay.
go to Google, okay, and type
Okay.
vision map. Okay, what that does is it basically asks you, or you can do this exercise with the in Chat GPT or Claude as well. I would recommend you to do it with AI. That would be far better. Ask it
Yeah.
to ask you questions so that it helps you clear your vision. How do you want to structure it? Okay,
Okay.
rather than me answering this question for you, okay, you should be the one who should be laying down all the things and then ask. So see, there's a quote in mentalist, I think, and I love this quote. Okay, this was the quote which was, I think, said by Patrick Chain only, which was,
Okay.
any impossible big task can be done if you can bifurcate that big task into multiple smaller tasks. Okay, multiple smaller tasks which are
Small time.
achievable. Okay.
Okay.
So you need
Multiple.
to feed this particular argument to Claude or ChatGPT or any tool that you're using for that matter and tell it that I want this to be done in a way that it is executable. Once you know that what are your steps, then you can go ahead and take it. But I'll definitely give you the legal steps. Okay. So do you have a GST number?
Noted.
Okay, so get the first of all get the sole proprietorship, okay, or LLC or whatever you want. Okay, I think yes, LLP or private limited or whatever
LLC,
you want.
LLC.
Yeah, whatever you want. Okay, just consult your CA. Okay, which
Okay.
is the best course of action for you. Sole proprietorship would do at this point of time. If in future you have more people and all, then you can go ahead and have private limited or anything else. Okay, but I would recommend going with sole proprietorship because you don't have to maintain, or it's not very stringent when it comes to
Yeah.
books. Okay, so you need to go ahead, or you should go ahead and do that. One.
Hmm.
Second thing is, go ahead and do that vision map exercise so that you exactly know what you want to achieve in 6 months. And once you know what you need to achieve in 6 months, you will have a clear roadmap of what all things you need to do. Just feed it this particular code that every big task is you know sum of all the smaller achievable tasks. So give me all the smaller achievable tasks. It'll give you a roadmap, a proper roadmap of next 6 months. Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So, in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So, if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.